we've been talking now for quite a while. Let's go around the table and get some final thoughts. We'll start with Andrew and end with Professor Tim.
I think there's a cliche of what employers think a millennial is expecting. You know, the dark-rimmed glasses and the ping pong tables and the fridge is full of food and drink, right? That's the type of work environment we're craving. What we're craving is challenge. We're craving responsibility, and we're craving growth. At least for me personally, that's all I care about in a job. I want to financially provide for my wife and my eventual kids that, you know, they can have a great life. I think that you will find it very difficult to find an individual that really just wants to, you know, goof off whenever they go into a professional workplace.
So let's get past the cliches,
right,
and talk about what's really important.
Right.
Okay, Chelsea?
I'm just really thankful for talks like this and conversations and studies and anything to back this information, because I feel like it's always just a lot of people grumbling, a lot of grumbling about this generation or that generation. Hopefully things come out of it. It's at least good to get things rolling.
Yeah, absolutely. Open conversation and mutual respect really is what we're looking for. It's not the ping pong table. It's not there's a dog in the office. It's, I want to be able to look you in the eye and know that you respect me both for my talents and for the way I look at the world. You know, we're going to be the next generation to come in and start taking over management. And if managers now just want to put their hands over their eyes and pretend that it's not going to happen, that's just not going to work.
For me, it's honesty and kind of going back to what you said about conviction. If the employer can't truly wrap their minds or heart around this new wave of thinking, then I kind of don't fake it, because I think it just creates like inefficiencies and distrust. And then once we've gotten to a point where we're so far off the same page, we're not probably going to get back. But if an employer can understand our perspective, then do it, and do it wholeheartedly, and be open to failing and be open to doing it better the next time. Like, I just think that we could work with a little bit more patience and a little bit more forgiveness and expect that everybody, you know, on our team is ultimately working toward the same goal. So just, you know, loosen the reins a bit and just let's be a little bit more relational.
So honesty, true connection, not fake. Give me a chance to show you what I can do that's going to do nothing but help you. Let me work on my own time, because you need to trust me that I'm going to do the job. And if I don't, then you get rid of me. And that goes a lot farther than any sort of fake, hey, I'm hip, I understand millennials. Don't try. Don't even go there. No. Just you be you, let me be me, and let's just find, as Andrew was saying, you keep the ping pong table. Let's find a way for all of us to make money and be happy with our families.
Yeah.
Tim?
I'm extremely optimistic. First off, simple math, because millennials are the largest, they will lead sooner and younger than any generation before them. Therefore, they're going to be our next great generation. Now imagine the potential of over 77 million of them that are allowing themselves to explore in their 20s professions, careers, maybe new businesses that don't even exist yet, that will have impact that we can't even predict. That potential is what drives me.
Andrew, Chelsea, Nick, Rachel, Tim, thanks very much. I learned a lot today. I hope the listeners and the viewers learned as much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.